Joe Bender getting into 007. He'll do the wing walking later on.
Going, flying for the, yeah, I can talk. Flying 8-ball, the WACO. He's a lineman for the electric company.
Now
and this, and 123, Rick Conn, one of the Flying Conn brothers, both acrobatic pilots. Dave couldn't be here today, so Rick's here, and he will do an amazing show for you today. And you can also go for a ride, too. They're selling rides in the gift shop right over there.
There's the wing walking Stearman, but don't worry, the skydiver's not coming out.
The different airplanes
until all those airplanes are up.
Help them turn, and the rudder, which is back here. If you notice, when they do start up, the tires only turn forward. So to control the airplane on the ground, just like in the air, they have ailerons and rudders, and this thing back here is called an elevator. Makes you go up and down. The rudder works like power steering in your car. You can turn with just ailerons, but boy, when you kick that rudder into the left or right, you really turn quick.
Okay.
That's the wing walking air, or the sky jumper airplane up there, getting up high. They'll be coming over. Now also, the sky jumper will have the American flag on his back, and when he pops the American flag, we will play the national anthem. And we would like everybody to take off their hat and stand up for the the national anthem, please. These airplanes are antique airplanes built in the 1940s. These are not kit airplanes. They're very fragile, so at the end of the show, when you come out, please don't touch the airplanes because you could put a hole in them really quick. And it's very expensive to repair.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
007.
Joe Bender firing up a 300 horsepower Lycoming. Keith Firmin fires it up.
Chuck will be next to number 8, the WACO.
Chuck Tippett.
The pilots always yell clear prop because they don't want anybody standing out in front of the airplane. Because those propellers will hurt you. And that's Rick Conn again in 123, our acrobatic pilot. There they go, folks. The pilots of the Flying Circus. Aren't those planes beautiful, folks? These airplanes were trainers for the World War II pilots. If your father or your grandfather was a World War II pilot, chances are he learned to fly on one of these type of airplanes. Pretty fun. these two gentlemen right out in front of us with the flat yellow flag, that's where the jumper's going to land, hopefully. And it looks like they're about high enough. That look like 3,000 feet to anybody? So we may have a jumper soon.
Here we go.
Well, it looks like they're going to go around again. Are y'all having fun yet? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, isn't it?
Yeah. Woo. You wrecked me.
What are all those airplanes doing down at the end of the runway? Well, they're getting set up to do our takeoff formations. All 4 airplanes will take off at once. It's pretty cool. They're jockeying to get in position.
Oh. Okay, checking their magnetos. 2 magnetos per engine and 2 spark plugs per cylinder. Got back set, so here we go. Revving them up. Up.
Another thing I want to tell you about is see all these flags we have up here and the windsock and everything? The airplanes always take off into the wind. And here goes our flying.
Okay, I'm gonna be quiet, make formation. A video. Here we go.
Tippett's in the front, Joe Bender's on the right, Keith Firmin's on the left, and Rick Conn's bringing up the rear. Oh, that's Keith. Very cool.